Hey guys, so here's a simple day trade strategy that you guys can use on Robinhood. As you guys can see, everything from GSHD all the way down to Redo. I actually bought a little bit before 10 o'clock. This would be a day trade right here. I basically bought all the top movers on Reddit. If some of you guys watch my old videos, this was a strategy that I used to kind of grow my account from like $2,000 to like $8,000 to like $10,000, I think, in like a month or two, I think. But you do need to have at least like $25,000 to do these day trades. So I grew, yeah, I made like, I think like 10 grand in a couple of months just by doing this when it has like a good return. But as you guys can see, I did buy the equity on this was $10 for every single play. And the percentage gain for all of this is what it's counted up, right? So 2% plus like, let's say 4%, 2%. So 2, 6, 7, 8 plus, let's say, so 27, 28. 28 plus 7 is 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 35. And then let's subtract what we actually missed. So 35 minus, let's say, 3, 32, minus another 1, so 31, and then minus 0.69. So let's just go all the way down to like 31. So if I would have taken this day trade with $1,000 each, I would have made overall a 30% gain, or I would have made about $300. But this, I would have made $300 on like a $10,000 risk though. So I would have bought $1,000 of each, and I would have made about a 30% return overall from all of this. So it would have been like a $300 gain. It does have a bit of a high risk on the money that you put up, but I did find that it has a pretty good shot of returns. So I do recommend this if you're playing a small account, just to kind of test it out. I would always buy a little bit before 10 o'clock. So anytime before 9:45 to 10, I would always buy the Robinhood top movers, and then just kind of hold till around 12 o'clock or even till the next day. But yeah, that's kind of it. That was a strategy that I used. I made about like 10 grand in like a month or two, I think. But you have to have $25,000 in your account to day trade. So that's it.